Hello everyone. Today the world is increasingly promoting a healthy lifestyle. Aloe vera has become a symbol of health and natural beauty. The global aloe vera market is growing strongly with a value of up to hundreds of millions of dollars each year, from vast fields to health and beauty care products to consumers. In today's video, let's explore the amazing journey of aloe vera, from the days when the plant was still green in the fields, through each professional and meticulous production stage, to become a valuable product in our daily lives. This is a journey of health, beauty, and untold secrets. Are you ready to explore? Aloe vera is a cactus plant with a history of thousands of years, originating from the arid lands of Africa. Since ancient Egypt, aloe vera has been considered the plant of immortality and has been used in important rituals as well as traditional medicine. Aloe vera is prized for its ability to soothe, heal the skin, and even prolong life. Ancient civilizations such as Greece, Rome, and China also valued this plant for its miraculous healing and beautifying properties. Today, more than 23,000 hectares of aloe vera are grown globally, with about 19,000 hectares concentrated in the Americas. Aloe vera is highly adaptable and can thrive in arid areas, which makes it easy for producers to expand their cultivation. With its superior growth ability and low soil quality requirements, aloe vera also allows farmers to intercrop vegetables and aromatic plants, making the most of arable land, contributing to sustainable agricultural development. Up to 30,000 aloe vera plants can be grown per hectare, which are propagated through root or stem shoots. A mature aloe vera plant can grow from 30 centimeters to over 3 meters in height, with succulent leaves filled with nourishing gel. A mature aloe vera plant will start flowering after 2 years, and by the age of 4 to 5 years, the plant is ready for harvest with thick 80-centimeter long leaves. When the aloe vera reaches maturity, the mature leaves are carefully harvested to ensure continued growth. The outer leaves are trimmed with sharp knives or specialized tools, which minimize damage to the plant and keep the leaves in optimal condition. These aloe vera leaves are then transported to the processing facility using special vehicles to maintain freshness and keep the gel inside from being damaged during the journey. At the processing plant, strict cleaning and disinfection procedures are implemented. The aloe leaves are thoroughly washed to remove dirt. They are then sterilized with a sodium bicarbonate solution, which safely kills bacteria while preserving their natural ingredients. At the same time, this process also collects asabar, a valuable byproduct in medicinal herbs. After cleaning, the peeling and gel separation process begins. The outer shell of the leaf is carefully peeled off to reveal the transparent aloe vera fillets. These fillets are carefully separated from the shell in a clean processing room to minimize the risk of bacterial contamination. Next, the aloe vera gel is pressed through layers of microfilters to remove impurities, creating a pure gel that meets the highest quality standards. The gel is then cooled to 7 degrees Celsius to preserve nutrients and maintain freshness during storage. The packaging of aloe vera gel is also a complex process. Aloe vera gel is classified into 2 main types: food-grade gel and cosmetic gel. For food-grade gel, aloe is completely removed to avoid toxicity when consumed in large doses. In contrast, cosmetic-grade gel will retain aloe as it is not harmful when used externally. The gel will then be packaged in large cartons or sterile bags, saving on shipping and storage costs and ensuring hygiene and safety for a long time. Aloe vera gel is not only popular in beauty, but also famous for its many health benefits. This gel has strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which are very good for the digestive system, helping to heal ulcers and protect the stomach lining. Aloe vera juice is a great health supplement with the ability to boost immunity, help purify the body, and maintain youthful skin. In addition, drinking natural aloe vera juice also helps improve digestion and regulate blood sugar, but should be consumed in moderation to avoid laxative effects. Few people know that aloe vera has been used to preserve food throughout history. Taking advantage of its antibacterial and antifungal properties, some ancient cultures used aloe vera leaves to wrap and preserve food, helping them stay fresh for a long time without the need for refrigeration. This preservation technique shows that aloe vera is not only valuable in terms of nutrition, but also a natural, environmentally friendly method of preservation. In an era where consumers are increasingly focusing on health and looking for natural products, aloe vera is becoming one of the top choices thanks to its safety and benign properties. Aloe vera products are gradually dominating the market, from skincare gels, nutritional juices, to household cleaning products. With the trend of natural consumption on the rise, the demand for aloe vera is expected to continue to increase strongly in the future. The journey of aloe vera from the field to the consumer is not just a production process, but also a story about nature, health, and sustainability. Hopefully, through this video, you have a better understanding of the value of aloe vera, as well as the efforts of the people who make each product we use every day. If you love the content that explores agriculture and the food production process, please support us by clicking like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting content in the future. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next videos.